Hey gang, Jerry here, and today is another update video on our Factory 535 hot rod truck build that we're doing. Today's video is going to be about exhaust and how I ran my exhaust and a little bit of the issues that I kind of ran into that I'm expecting you're going to run into the same thing. So without further ado, let me kind of show you how my exhaust turned out. So if you take a look at my exhaust here, very first thing is I went with, it's a Ford, by the way, it's a Ford small block 302. So I went with the Ford Shorty headers from BBK, ordered those right off of Amazon. And they actually fit really nice. I really like these headers. I like the look of them. I think they're going to work really well. But the very first issue I ended up with the exhaust is the exhaust studs. This is the actual stud that comes with your Factory 5 kit. And this stud will not work with your firewall up here. It's just going to be too long. So I ended up getting different bolts and then just cut it off as a stud, threaded it in on the header from the top, and then just used the nut from the bottom. So, and I had to do that on both sides. So you can see over here, again, bolt, and then the actual stud. So other than that, it went on pretty good. I am running a carbureted engine, so the downpipes do not have any O2 sensors, but I do have spots if I did want to run an O2, if I want to switch to EFI someday. And going back, the exhaust. So we have a 4-bolt flange here, and they do supply gaskets. Nothing surprising there. And then here's our first attachments for our muffler system. Here's the hanger that is actually supplied from Factory 5. I did do I had to cut the hanger off. And then I attached the hangers with rib nuts into the frame. So it makes it nice and solid. Same thing on the back side here. I did exactly the same thing. I didn't cut this one off because we have plenty of clearance. But again, attached into the frame with a rib nut. Now, in the manual, it shows another mount that you would come up here, but my kit didn't come with it. But I did order another set of hangers that lets you be able to have kind of an adjustable spot for the rear tailpipe, because you can see I have very little clearance right here, and if I do rattle a little bit, I can make it hit. So you're going to want the back end to be kind of solid also, and you don't want it to be too low to hit this bar and too high to hit this bar. So I have another mount that I will be putting here, and what it is, I'll attach it here with a rib nut just like before, but it's just a rod that comes down, and I'll just tack it to this flange right here. I have a little MIG welder, and I'll just tack it to where it's in the position to give me plenty of clearance everywhere. Same thing with the other side. The other side, again, if I hit it, I am hitting this bar up here a little bit. So definitely going to want to do some type of mount here to keep this rigid, that you're not hitting where in the frame. Again, on this side, attached with a rib nut, just like in the front here, and attached with a rib nut. So all in all, I'll give you a shot from the back side. So exhaust is looking really, really good. Nice and even on both sides, nice and straight. Nice, a lot of clearance from underneath the vehicle. So I'm really happy with it. The only thing you're not going to get with your kit when you order it from Factory 5 is the headers. So depending on the engine you're running, you have to buy the header, supply the headers yourself. But everything else I just showed you, you get with in the kit from Factory 5. So not too bad. I'm actually very happy with the way the exhaust turned out. So I just had to add a couple of little mounts in the back, and I'll do it exactly the same way I did the other mounts. I'll do a rib nut in the frame, but I'll just tack weld the down bracket to the exhaust clamp. So I don't see it having a problem with that, and I think it'll work out just fine. So, it's going to be it for this one, gang. So if you liked the video, make sure you give a massive thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and share with your friends and family. All right, gang. Remember, If you put your mind to it, you can do anything. Take care and see ya.